Hello, students. Good morning to you all. I'm a science teacher. How are you all? Good. I hope you all are utilizing your lockdown period in a constructive manner. आप लोग अच्छे से पढ़ाई कर रहे होंगे. So let's quickly start our today's work. हम लोग आज का काम शुरू करते हैं. Today we will do the fill in the blanks of lesson 2 plants our friends. आज हम लोग lesson 2 का fill in the blanks करेंगे. So all of you take out your copies quickly and start writing. आप लोग अपनी अपनी copies निकाल लीजिए and start writing. All right. First of all, you will write date on the right side of your page. So write down the date here. Some of you are writing the date on the left side. कुछ लोग आप लोग left side में date डाल रहे हो, but try to write the date on the right side. There is a box for writing the date in your copies, so write down the date there. Alright, today is 11/5/2020. On the next line, you will write CW, classwork. Alright, underline it. On the next line, you will write lesson number, lesson 2. That is plants our friends. This is your lesson name. You will write the lesson name and underline it. Students, please underline the headings. आप लोग headings को underline कर दिया करिए so that it look nice and the heading will be highlighted. Highlight रहेगी heading और ये neat and clean रहेगा. So student, please don't use color for underlining. You have to underline with your pencil only. आप pencil से ही underline करेंगे with the help of your scale. Scale और pencil से ही underline करेंगे. Don't use colors. On the next line, you will write the name of the exercise. Today we will do exercise B. So write down exercise B. Fill in the blanks. Underline the heading. Underline it with the help of your scale, with your pencil. Okay. So let's start. Our first question is, we get paper from dash plant. हमें पेपर कौन से प्लांट से मिलता है? यू हैव टू राइट द नेम ऑफ अ प्लांट. जिस प्लांट से हमें पेपर मिलता है, यू हैव टू राइट द नेम ऑफ दैट प्लांट. सो वी गेट पेपर फ्रॉम bamboo plant. As you all know very well, I have told you many times. We get paper from bamboo plant. BAMBOO, bamboo. Alright, हमें पेपर बैम्बू प्लांट से मिलता है. So let's move to the part 2 of this question. So number 2 is, we get gum from gum, gum from dash tree. Which plants give us gum? हमें गम कौन से प्लांट से मिलता है? We get gum from acacia tree. ACACIA. Students, please write down the spellings very carefully. Spellings को बहुत carefully लिखिएगा. Alright, because many of you do so much spelling mistakes. So please try to watch the video very carefully and write down the spellings correctly. So we get gum from acacia tree. Let's move to the third one. Aloe vera and dash are used to make medicine. एलोवेरा एंड डैश, एलोवेरा और क्या चीज़ से जो हमें मेडिसिन्स बनाने में यूज़ होती है. सो द आंसर विल बी नीम, बिकॉज दीज plants are used for medicinal purpose. Aloe vera, neem, tulsi and there are many other plants. बहुत सारे ऐसे plants हैं जो medicinal purpose के लिए use होते हैं. So aloe vera and neem are used to make medicines. You all must have seen the neem tree. Neem tree आप सब ने देखा ही होगा. So let's move to the fourth one. Sugar. Sugar is chini, which we use, is obtained from dash. Which plant gives us sugar? Sugar हमें किस चीज़ से मिलता है? Yes, right. It is a sugarcane plant. So we get sugar from sugar cane. So we get sugar from sugar cane. Put a full stop. हमें शुगर केन प्लांट से मिलता है. What else we get from sugar cane plants? We get jaggery. Jaggery means gur. Gur is also prepared from sugar cane. So let's move further. Sweet smelling flowers are used to make dash. Sweet smelling flowers are used to make dash. जो स्वीट स्मेलिंग फ्लावर हैं, ऐसे फ्लावर जिनकी स्मेल बहुत अच्छी है, जिनकी फ्रेगरेंस बहुत अच्छी है, वो क्या बनाने के काम आते हैं? इट इज़ यूज्ड फॉर मेकिंग परफ्यूम्स बनाने के काम आते हैं, विच वी यूज़. PERFUMES, perfumes. All right. So these are the 5 points or questions which we will do and fill in the blanks. All right. Students, you have to write this in your science fair copy. ये काम आपको साइंस की फेयर कॉपी में करना है. Students, please do very neat and clean work in a very beautiful handwriting. And one thing I want to say, एक चीज़ मैं कहना चाहूँगी, प्लीज़ यूज़ डार्क पेंसिल. सम ऑफ यू राइट सो लाइट. कुछ लोग आप में से इतना लाइट लिखते हैं कि इट इज़ नॉट विजिबल, क्योंकि वो विजिबल नहीं होता है. सो ट्राई टू यूज़ डार्क पेंसिल एंड राइट ब्यूटिफुली एंड नीटली. एंड व्हेन यू टेक अ पिक, जब आप पिक लेते हैं तो टेक अ क्लियर पिक जिसमें पूरी पेज की इमेज आए, बिकॉज इट is not clear when you send the pics. Some of the pics are not clear, so please send the clear pics. All right. So now write down the homework. Your today's homework is you have to learn exercise A of lesson 2. You have to learn the exercise of lesson 2, exercise A, that we have done on 9th. This exercise you have to learn. Alright, take the correct answer. You have to learn this. Alright, this is your exercise A, so learn it. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.